Finally got my Pixel 9 Pro XL from Google Canada. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Colin, where I do tech topics and reviews. Today I'm going to be unboxing Google's latest new phone, which is this model right here is the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I am coming from the 6 Pro, so that's why I opted in for the XL version. 9 Pro my wife will be getting, so it's gonna be the same phone, just smaller. So I'm excited to unbox this. So far the 6 Pro has done wonders for me for the past few years. I've had it for 3 years. There's only been a few issues about it, just the battery life. I mean, considering it's been a few years already, overheating issues, so it does heat up pretty bad. So hopefully the vapor chamber in this new phone will be a lot better, and as well as the fingerprint sensor. So Google Pixel 9 Pro XL does have the ultrasonic sensor, the fingerprint, rather than the optical sensor on the 6 Pro. So in terms of the box design, it is pretty sleek, clean design, and minimalistic. So I appreciate Google doing that. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Just received this yesterday. Pre-ordered at the Google Canada and opted in to trade in my Pixel 6 Pro. So it should be a really good upgrade, and yeah, let's unbox this thing. Definitely a newer design compared to the previous models. Here we go. Here's my porcelain Google Pro Pixel 9 Pro XL. Got the white version. Put that away. Just look at the sides here. So I'm really excited for this design. The 6 Pro, 7, and the 8 series, they're all pretty good, but I love the flat sides, and I'm excited to try out the AI features, especially the Add Me feature. I have so many instances where I have to get someone to take our photo, and just having that feature where I could do it all on my own is definitely a plus. Here's this design, definitely really eco-friendly. There we go, so you can see it. Looks really nice. So the fingerprint sensor, definitely excited on that one. The Pixel 6 Pro definitely have issues, especially if you have a screen protector on. My old one does have a lot of overheating issues, so hopefully this is going to be a lot better. Okay, so wow, really feels really smooth in the hand, especially the sides over here. I'm really digging this design. Alright, I'm just going to turn this on to see. See the screen. Now in the box there's only the cable. That's it, you don't get any brick or anything like that. So you just have to use the old one. So let's turn this on. Now first impressions, again, I do love the design. It feels really good in the hands. It's in terms of weight, it's definitely heavier than my old device, but it feels really nice. The only thing, first impressions, is the smoothness on the sides. It just feels really nice. Now it does feel a little bit bigger than my previous one, even though they pretty much should be the same size. My previous one was a 6.7, this one is 6.8, but I guess depends on, I guess because of the squared size it makes it feel a bit bigger, but yeah, it looks really nice. Now I'm gonna do a migration video on how to transfer your old Pixel to the new one, so look forward to that. And I'll be trading my 6 Pro for $400 Canadian, so I'm gonna trade that in, and they already sent me a trade-in box for it, so I'll transfer it, reset it, and then ship it out. All right, thanks for taking a look at my unboxing video.